Imagine cruising down a dark highway when suddenly blue and red lights flash behind you. But instead of pulling over, you floor it to 130 miles per hour. This isn't a movie. It's a real-life high-speed pursuit in Putnam County that turned into a total legal nightmare. In this video, we're breaking down a DUI traffic stop that escalated into one of the most dangerous chases we've ever seen. Why did this driver risk everything? What was hidden in the car? And most importantly, how many years of prison and thousands in fines is he facing now? Stick around until the very end because the final crash and the massive lawsuit details will absolutely shock you. You won't believe the mistake that ended it all.
Stop.
Oh,
You stopped in the intersection. You didn't have a blinker on.
that was so stupid. I was like, I could have went through the parking. I was just kind of a mental, I was like, I could have just went through the parking lot. I stood there waiting the whole time.
Okay. You have your license on you?
I don't. It's been stolen from me, but I was just.
Do you have a license?
Yeah, I do. I was pulled over last night. I mean, a guy was looking at me and they got like.
International, $54.29.
I'm sorry about this.
You're fine. You said you were trespassing there?
No, I thought maybe you were. It's so weird, like, Circle K didn't hear. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. Like, Circle K and Pomona, like, they trespassed me all the time. Like, I was.
You're from Indiana?
Yeah. And
I can't get your tag.
Jack 6016, I'm not getting anything from that either.
I know my driver's license.
Alright. Are you get your license out of Indiana or Florida?
Yeah, it's Indiana.
The moment of truth. When the Florida Highway Patrol initiated the stop, the driver had a choice. Why flee? In high-stakes legal cases like this, fleeing from a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony, but combined with a DUI, the stakes skyrocket. As you watch the speedometer climb past 100 miles per hour, ask yourself, is any reason worth a potential life sentence or a permanent criminal record? Experts in criminal defense law often see these split-second decisions ruin lives forever. Notice the driver's erratic movements. This is clear evidence of impairment that will be used against him in a court of law. How does the officer maintain control at these speeds? The tactical precision here is intense. We are now at 130 miles per hour. At this speed, a single mistake means certain death. The legal implications here shift from a simple DUI to aggravated fleeing and eluding, which carries mandatory prison time in Florida. If you're a personal injury lawyer looking at this footage, you see $1 million liability waiting to happen. The suspect is weaving through traffic with zero regard for public safety. This is where the insurance companies completely void your coverage, leaving the driver personally liable for every cent of damage caused. Does he have a chance to escape? The police radio chatter reveals a pit maneuver is being authorized. The tension is at an all-time high as the chase enters a residential area.
passenger insurance. What's your current speed?
83 miles an hour.
And we're again, if we can get her slow enough, go ahead and get her and let's bring it into this.
Yeah, the liabilities, business, Crescent City, I need a good place to live.
We're going to come up with some farm there a little bit. It'll be a good opportunity. Once we get past all these hurdles here, let's get over to agriculture.
And forward down to 17.
we'll get them out here. It's a good day.
Why hasn't he stopped yet? As the pursuit continues, the driver's psychological state becomes a factor for the prosecution. This isn't just a heat-of-the-moment escape anymore. It's a prolonged criminal act. For those interested in the financial side of law, a DUI defense for a case this extreme can cost upwards of $20,000 in legal fees alone, and that's before the court-ordered restitution. Look closely at how the patrol unit positions itself. This is a game of high-speed chess. Every second this chase continues adds more charges to the driver's rap sheet. Will the pit maneuver be successful on the first try, or will the suspect cause a multi-car pileup? The end is coming fast.
We got a defense. Both mine and his vehicle got sticked. She gets down and check out.
Kill me right here!
Get up! Let's go! Give me a gun, I'll kill myself! Ready? I'm on a commission. Alright, okay, just double check your handcuffs, okay? I'm gonna double lock them for you. So they won't tighten on you in the back, alright? Alright, go ahead and have a seat in the car. Yep.
Like, can I scratch like just real quick like this on the door?
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you gotta do.
Like I'm itchy so bad I can't reach.
Yep, you're fine.
The chase ends here, but the legal battle is just beginning. Based on Florida statutes, this driver is likely facing charges including DUI, aggravated fleeing, and reckless endangerment. The potential lawsuit from any injured parties could easily exceed $500,000 in damages. In terms of criminal penalties, we're looking at a possible 5 to 15 years in state prison. The financial ruin is total. Legal fees, $25,000 plus, fines, $10,000 plus, and massive insurance hikes. This is a textbook example of how one night of bad decisions leads to a lifetime of debt and incarceration. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most intense police pursuits and their legal consequences.